So question is, what is Packer? Okay, what is Packer? This is something which you have to learn. So look at this flow here. Let's understand this way. We are using a hell lot of tools. Okay, hell lot of tools in the DevOps and CI/CD and all. More than 30 tools you have it actually, and we have a automation for everything. Understand that we have automation for everything. Automation means we want to do the things through code. So just now before this session also we had a build.gradle. In previous session we had a maven pom.xml. So certain files which we have for configurations. So the question was, what is Packer? So Packer will help you to create image. Yes, Packer will help you to create image. Now this you can say package automation, installer automation, application packaging automation, but using code. So earlier we used to have lots of you know lots of tools like install shield, install build, install anywhere, Wise installer, Visual Studio have a packages also inbuilt. So we had a lots of tools earlier to create a packages, but now in the current mode we do the packaging, we create a packages using code itself. Okay, so that is the important things for this session. So now the question is, what is Packer again? So Packer is a tool. Okay, understand that Packer is a tool which is from the HashiCorp. Yeah, the company name is HashiCorp. Now this company is the kind of company uh, who's writing a software for the software development lifecycle automation. Means in this course, in fact, I have added many tools from the HashiCorp product. One of the tools is Vagrant. One of them is Packer. I'm teaching you Terraform is there. If you are a part of SRE, then Console will be there. Many tools are there actually. So HashiCorp, all of their products are very popular for automation purpose. So this product is from the HashiCorp. Now HashiCorp developed this product in Go language. Okay, so this is the language which has been used. So that means the moment if I say Go, that means you cannot ask, can I run Packer in Windows, Linux, Mac, or whatever it can run anywhere because Go is also like a Java platform independent. So yeah, Go language. Now for what region? So it will create a packages. Packer will create a packages, but what packages? So you can get these different types of packages. Example, EC2 image, MI we call it, VMware image, VirtualBox image, Docker image, and many more actually. So in a way, if you want to create any images, which can be machine image for cloud or creating a VM or Docker or anything as such, then you can use Packer for it. So then you'll say, Rajesh, why we are using this Packer? Then why can't we use AWS itself image builder for creating AWS image? VMware to create VMware image. So basically, yes, you can create those images, but here you can write a code actually. Okay, and this code you can do a lot of things in a very short span of time and automated way. So coding is important. Remember, I said very one thing, code for everything. In DevOps, the culture is code for everything, whether you are doing the functional development or you're writing a test cases or CI/CD, DevOps, infra, security, everything we have to write a code. So Packer is a tool which will help you to write a code which will create all these packages. Which are the list of packages which is supported by Packer? So if you see this one, this slides which will talk about, these are the platform. I mean, again, it's outdated little bit of it, but still it's a hell lot of it for we have. So these are the platform which you can use. I mean the package created by Packer which you can use here. Out of which one of the demo which I'm going to show you, which is Amazon AWS package. Okay, so this is the supported builder. So now when you write a code, then what you are going to do in the code. So here, this is the code right now you see in a JSON, but it can be in HCL also, SCL or JSON. This code you can write in JSON or HCL. Now, anyone have idea about it? What is the full form of SCL? Anyone? So the full form of SCL is HashiCorp Configuration Language. Now this language is comparatively easy to read, write, extend, debug, test, and so on compared to JSON actually. So though I'll show you the demo in SCL, but converting from JSON to SCL and SCL to JSON is very simple actually. Okay. So this code you write it. Now next one you will ask Rajesh, okay, fine. Uh, I'm writing a code, but in a code, what will be the content? So basically three major content you will have it: build, provision, and post processes. Build means what? So build means what are the kind of image you will build? Source. What are the kind of source image you build? So in our case, it's a AWS build options will be there. Provision means what kind of things you want to do in the new images, the changes. Okay, that's called provision. And once the image is created, what you want to do? You want to send an email, or you want to copy somewhere, or you want to do something. I mean, whatever it is. So you can do all this stuff. Okay, so primarily Packer is a tool which will create an image for various platform using coding, and this coding is in SCL, and in SCL you have primarily three fundamental sections. Are you comfortable, all of you? Hello, hello, guys, I'm audible.
Yes, audio.
Cool. So now the first question is how to install Packer. Second question is how to write a code. Third question, how to create a packages. So that is a three simple steps which I want to show you the demo of it. So let me first install the Packer. Very easy. Again, same concept. Download, extract, and set in the path. So download Packer. Here you have to do. Now you see here. Now many ways to download it. Again, don't complicate yourself. Mine is Windows, AMD 64-bit. These are the Linux one. So download. Now this is a very small utility, though I think I have set it up last time also, but let me check that because this is a new machine, so still I'm getting into it. So Packer, see it's there. So I'll delete this older patches, though I don't need to delete, but I'm deleting it just because I want to copy the new one. So here, this is the file. I'm going to extract it, and here. Now this is the latest package, 1.10 version, okay? And I'm going to copy inside the last directory, which is under the C tools packer. That's all. So download, extract, copy, my favorite location, you know that. Now this path I am going to add in the path environment variable. I think it's already there, but still I will do that for the sake of demo. So C is not there. So let me add it. Done. So yeah, package installed. Now come to here and create one folder, Packer. And here, can we validate that Packer is installed or not? So CMD and just write a Packer, enter. And these are the commands. As I told you, it's not a very difficult to learn this tool. Very simple tool. but these are the commands which you have to get using it. And packer installed switch version, so again you have 1.10, which is the most recent, just now we did it. So that is the things which got it done. Now second thing, how do we write a source code actually? So I just said you can write in a JSON, you can write in SQL, it's up to you, whichever you are comfortable with it. Okay, so here you have a few commands actually which will help you to convert JSON. See here, transform JSON template to SQL also. Okay, so that's up to you. I mean, it's which one you are comfortable, go with it. I will go for SQL only, that is easier. So easier to understand compared to JSON. So here I have a packer. Look at this. This is the file which is called SQL. Now what it will do, this file will be the file code which will create a AWS image. Remember that as part of the demo, I'm showing you AWS image. Though you can use different platform also, depends on use cases. But in our course, we are focusing on AWS. So we are having that one. Okay, so this is the code actually. Okay, so now let's understand this section. So if you remember that my discussion, you have a builder, provisioner, and post processors. In this code, if you see, only you have a builder and provisioners are here. Okay, so let me explain you this code. This code, which is basically builder configurations. That means you are saying, hey, I am going to use this code for building AWS package. You see here Amazon package, and this is the code. Now you'll say, Rajesh, how do we know that if I want to build something else? Let's say you want to build some packages which is called VirtualBox. So how do we specify? So this all builders you will get it on the Google. Actually, hundreds of builders are there. Depends on use cases. Packer. What was what we decided? VirtualBox builder. So virtual box builder. Though DevOps school also has many um, tutorials for this, so you can use this. Say Vagrant here, Packer workflow. All these tutorials will find it, but right now VirtualBox, here it is. So open this, and now here it is, this line. So you are creating this one, you see VirtualBox. So I'm creating only the AWS, so I put it a AWS plugin. So if you have multiple plugins, you can put it up plugins under this. You can add one more, copy this part actually, and get it done. So this is to tell, hey, we are creating the AWS packages. This is called builder specifications. Are you comfortable, all of you? All of you? Hello?
So this is provisioning a virtual machine or doing what?
So for creating a AWS VM, AWS AMI we call it, you have to have a VM creation and then changes inside the VM and then create AMI. Now all these things will be done by Packer only. That's how automation is all about. Got it?
So this
Okay.
is a infrastructure as a code.
Infrastructure as a code. So many tools are there in infra, including Terraform, Packer, Ansible. These are the infrastructure as a code. Okay. So now this is the builder specification. Now where is a provisioner? Provisioner means what you are going to do inside the VM. So now this is the provisioner specification complete. Okay. So if you see that here, this is the source, by the way, sorry, this is the provisioner specification below one. Okay. So first decide that what is the source image you will use it. So here, in order to use the source image, here you have, this is the template you can follow. So this part you are filtering the what is the image existing image you want to use as a base to create a new image. Okay, so here is the access key, and this is a secret key, and this will be the AMI name which will be created, and source image which you want to source it, that will create this type of instance in this region, and this is the base image will be used, and the username for the base image is Ubuntu. So we have to change this one because account will be changed. So let me do that. So I'll go to the AWS, okay, and sign in. Now in this I have a Mumbai region. Go to the EC2, and you see here there is a no as such. I'll delete this one, terminate. Okay, so done. So now in this you have AWS done. Now what is the next thing? So next thing is AMI ID, right? So go to quick launch. I'm just teaching you techniques to locate. Let's say Ubuntu, I want to use it. Which version? So 20. So if you see that this is the AMI ID. So I need AMI ID somewhere. So AMI ID is not required. So for that, I'll go AMI IDs and go to the AMIs. Okay. And yes, so many AMIs are there, and hit this. No, owned by no public. Here it is. This is the AMI ID. Now I got it all this information, but carefully now I'll fill this. Okay, so let's do that. So first thing what I need, the region. So region is AP South 1, which is Mumbai. Second thing, name of the image. So where do we get a name? Somewhere locate me. It should be here. So copy and paste. This will be the base image, okay? Device type, is it EVS? Yes, I think so. It is EVS. And virtualization type HVM, yeah, I think it's HVM. Yeah, here it is. And owner, who's the owner of this VM? So owner ID is here. Done. And the username, I know that Ubuntu usually keep the username Ubuntu. So this will be the base image. It will be used in order to create a new image. Okay, now this one is not right one. Okay, this one we need to modify. So I'll do that. Okay, so any questions so far, all of you? This will be the builder configuration. This will be the base image configurations. Are you okay, all of you? All of
I
you?
have one doubt, like,
Yeah,
uh, uh, this packer has only this purpose for having
only
new
that.
infra. Okay,
Writing an image, create an image using code. That is the main purpose. Okay, so
okay.
we are modifying the code. Okay, now in the new image, you want to provision something, right? This is the, if you see, provision something, means what changes you want to make it in the base image. So here that section will be called here build. Okay, in the build, this is a provisioners actually. Look at this. So here you are saying, hey, take this source image, run it with this type, and do these changes inside it. Okay, so here if you see, the name of the package name will be learn packer. Source image, which one? So if you trace this one, source, which is here, Amazon hyphen EBS, which is here, and dot Ubuntu, which is here. That means this is the source you are using as a base. Okay, now inside this base, what do you want to do? So you want to call the provisioner shell. Now this provisioner, it can be shell. Right now in Linux is a shell, but it can be PowerShell for Windows, Batch, or any more shell also. Different shell also can be possible. Here, this shell can be Java also, by the way. Java is also shell kind of it. And you want to set some environment variable in the VM, and you want to do some commands. You want to run inside a command and then create a VM and then get it done. So these are the simple commands for installing the Redis server. Good to go. That's all. So here you specify what kind of image you want to do, what is a base image you want to use it, and what you want to do inside a base image. That's all. And after that, you have to run command which is called build. This is the most important command which you have. Before that, if you think I should validate my code, you can validate using this command. So validate and the file name. What is the file name? AWS, right? Am I not in right directory? Okay, I think I'm not in right directory. So Packer validate and done. And now here there is some problem here. The problem is the following plugins are required but not installed. So if you see that here it's saying, hey, you are using the plugin that is here, but in the local you do not have it. What do we do in this case? So they will give you some suggestions also, but right now it's not giving. So init command is the one which you should run it here. See init command. So first time, very first time you have to run init, and init the file name, and it will download the builder. This is the new machine actually, and you see that little carefully where it downloaded. So this is the executable got downloaded in this location. This is your builder actually. That means this is the real work will be done by this image creation will be done by this guy only. After that, let me validate code and enter. And now this is valid. But you know what? This code will fail. Why? Because this has no authentication key and all. So can we do that? So go to authentication key. I'm going for it. Okay. And here I'm creating a key and copy and done and done. So now that's all. So now you have to run the command which is called packer build. That's all. And the file name. And you see now it will start building. So if you want to see that, you go to easy to instance, and here you see in the AWS there'll be one instance will be coming for see here waiting the instance to become ready. So see here, refresh. Oh, I'm in a different region actually, Mumbai. See here, this one, the one which is initiating. So this one instance, what happened, Packer has created this instance, and in this instance it will log in using this user and run these commands and set this environment variable customization. This is called provisioners. And then after that create one AMI which is under here, uh, owned by me. So right now these are the AMIs which we have it. We'll have a Ramu Kaka AMIs will be here. See you. So it will be there. So just wait for a few seconds. Still you see initializing. Keep refreshing. And here also you can see the logs, what is the progress on it and doing. So basically, this will be very handy if you have a certain customization in place, certain customizations. Everything you can do through coding actually, different things, different coding.
So
And just
this
wait
is
for,
a
see
Terraform.
here, it's not a Terraform. How come you are getting confused? It's a Packer. Terraform is a different tool from HashiCorp.
Okay.
See, you will hear this confusion, you will have it actually, but that's what we have to stick to your mind. One line explanation. Packer is for creating a package using code. That's all. What package? System package or container package. For what? AWS, Azure, VMware, VirtualBox, Docker, this package, that package. So machine image, it will create machine image. Remember that. Using that, you can create a VM or a container. Okay. So just wait for it. Almost got ready. Let me show you. Refresh it. See here. Now you see it stopped. That means before creating an AMI, they will stop it. Let me see that AMI is coming or not. See, Ramu Kaka has come. Now what if you see that still is pending state? Why? Because it's still not completed. So it's a full automation. You write a code, basically you customize this one through the coding and created an image actually. So just few more minutes. I think it should be okay. So guys, did you understand the use cases of Packer, all of you?
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.